Hello everyone, in this video, I would like to introduce the trigger duration dependent. So this new repair type for the sequential conditional logic helps users to set up scenarios where the ramp up or the restart duration is dependent to the length of preceding downtime. So in cases where certain outage duration may result in different ramp up time, you will find this functionality to be useful. If you have not explored this feature, which was released in the latest Maros and Taro, stay on for the next few minutes to gain an understanding on how to use this new feature. So this example is a simple oil production facility with separation nodes, and our focus is on the single vessel unit located in the platform node. So any failures on this vessel would shut down the network between 4 to 12 hours. And there would be different outage durations on the vessel for the different ramp-up time. So any outage duration of less than 8 hours, the restart time will be 4 hours. And if it's above 8 hours outage duration, the restart time will be 8 hours. So we have set this up here using the conditional logics. So for this, we use the sequential effect type. And for the repair type, we use the new trigger duration dependent. So between 0 to 8, the repair time or the restart time will be 4 hours. And if it's above 8 hours, the repair time or the restart time is 8 hours. So we ran the model earlier, and our expectations is to see that both of these conditional logics to be in effect throughout the entire life cycle because of the sampling technique used by Maros. So we use the event viewer, and our goal here is to really find out if both of these ramp-up time would occur throughout the life cycle. So here we see a sampling where the minimum ramp-up time has been triggered. And in this period, the ramp-up time for the maximum has been triggered. Okay, so we know that both of these conditional logics have been sampled throughout the life cycle. If you have any questions, feedback, or want to get stuck into learning about how our RAM products can help you make smarter decisions, please email at digital@dmv.com. Take care and bye for now.